Hi friends, welcome back to channel Cydecker. In this one, I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS support test in the Realme X1 Max device after the recent 8.20 update. As you can see friends, right now I did update to the latest version, which is 8.20 update. So only problem with this 8.20 update is that the FPS will be capped exactly at 70 FPS. That is a complaint which I'm getting from a lot of other users. So let me try to demonstrate in this video whether it's the case or not actually. Because just today only I did receive the update in the Realme X1 Max device. So it's very unfortunate to see this kind of changes is happening with each and every update. So previously in the 8.18 update, the users that did face FPS has been locked, but in the 8.19 it got unlocked. Again in 8.20 it got locked. So I'm not sure friends, first the Realme should decide whether they should give the 90 FPS or not for this phone. So that's another something. It really bothers me. Let me show you the settings what I'm trying to use. So right now I'm trying to use at 90 FPS exactly in a lobby and compact. Everything is set to the 90 FPS anyway. But the real-time FPS is not increasing above 70. As you can see, FPS is completely locked at 70 FPS. So I'll try to do one thing. I'll try to use the brightness trick, which we all do know in case if you use the previous Realme phones. Let me try to use the brightness trick and I'll try to see whether we can actually get any kind of improvement or not. I think to use the brightness stick I need to use the navigation bar buttons. Let's go to the convince tool and change the navigation bar buttons to virtual buttons. Yes, so only then the brightness stick will work. If you try to use a full screen gestures brightness stick, sometimes it doesn't work. So that's the reason I thought of doing it in front of the camera only. So meanwhile, I'm trying to test this new update, which is 8.20 update. Is there any kind of issues or not? Battery draining, and how is the charging speed? Is it got decreased or not? How is the camera? Everything. I need to do the testings, and then I can come to the conclusion. Maybe after 2 days of time. Just give me 2 or 3 days of time, then we can actually discuss. And meanwhile, I'll be getting plenty of feedback from my users as well. So in that way, I'll be able to share all the information with you all. Right now I'm trying to use the brightness trick and still even using the brightness trick also it's not helping. No friends, doesn't matter what we do, this update is completely locked at exactly 70 FPS only at this moment, as you can see clearly. Yes, even with the brightness trick also it doesn't work. I think the only way to make it work is to open the WhatsApp or any other application in the floating window, and you need to keep it small and side. I think now it will open, we can get 90 FPS working exactly. So only in this way we will be able to get that. That's another thing which bothers me. Something which I was just mentioning for you, but overall we will be able to play only at 70 FPS at this moment. But still 70 FPS is quite okay. But some users they do want to play at 90 FPS most of the time. That's the reason they did buy the phone as well, to play the Battlegrounds mobile game at higher FPS count. I wish the Realme should definitely figure out this kind of way to play it higher FPS as soon as possible. So wow, so these are gaming triggers which I'm trying to use from the Realme gaming triggers only. So these are the Realme gaming triggers which I'm trying to use, and you can see friends, gaming triggers work fantastic in my usage. I did not have any kind of issues. With the gaming triggers. And let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this Realme X1 Max 70 FPS? Are you okay to play it 70 FPS or not? For me it doesn't matter much as long as the game is really good and smooth, so it won't impact much. But it also depends upon type of user to user as well. So please let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this particular topic. Right now exactly I think 70 FPS we are getting. So definitely for the next 2 days, I'll try to do the testings on this device, and I'll try to come back with another solution or any kind of problem. If there is any kind of fix, I don't think there is any kind of fix at this moment, but definitely we'll try to find out how to play at 90 FPS. So right now, as you can see, even still we are getting exactly 70 FPS. So at least the game is running smooth at this moment without much kind of problem, and even the temperatures also should not increase much higher if you're trying to play at 70 FPS anyway. So that's the advantage, friends, of having the gaming triggers, because using the gaming triggers only I was able to finish this kind of game in very fast, because that's the reason I did like even the Poco F3 GT, because of the triggers. But this triggers feels really like simple and straightforward because of exact convenient location of keeping my finger. That's the reason I did like. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and this is a quick update on the Realme X1 Max. Unfortunately, even using the I think set edit application and whatever you do, 90 FPS will not work in the Realme X1 Max. It's completely limited by the UI itself, so we cannot do anything about it unless you use some kind of floating application or anything. Only then you will be able to play at 90 FPS in this device. So I'm getting plenty of comments on this particular topic. That's the reason I thought of making a video and uploading and just letting you know. So in case if you're planning to play the Battlegrounds mobile game, please don't update to the 8.20 update, because you won't get that kind of 90 FPS. So please don't update in case you want to play. As you can see, when the triggers are really good and very fast triggers, I did like. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.